A couple weeks ago, I got this Sharpie liquid graphite pencil. It's not an erasable pen. Apparently, it's a pencil that's also erasable, but that writes like a pen. It doesn't use any lead. So I thought this was pretty cool. I mean, writing graphs, writing equations, and doing graphs, but there needs to be a proper review so all the mathematicians out there know if they should use this for their basic, parabola sketching needs. So we'll obviously have to test this out, see it in action. We'll start with a very basic quadratic equation, x squared with a vertical shift of -2. Oh, look at that equation. It's beautiful. We won't comment on the writing quality because we're saving that till the end. Let's remain objective. We'll reserve all judgment till the end. So we'll draw a little coordinate plane. Oh, that y-axis. Oh my god. And then an x-axis. Pretty great. Let me. Okay, yeah. So we got that, and then we'll start 2 down because it has a negative shift, and you always should plot your points. This isn't a math lesson, but come on, have some professionality. So let's look. So obviously we're gonna avoid commenting on the parabola because it's perfect, and this isn't a review of my parabola. This is a review of the pencil. So obviously it's like a stylistic choice. I really like that dash thing they got going, a lot of pens, let me get a normal pen, a lot of pens like this one, that's so boring, there's no variation, it's not focusing, no variation, but then you get something like this, look at that, yeah, look, you don't even know, is it going to write, or is it not going to write? You never know, it's a surprise every time. So that's great. And I mean, if you ever don't like the dash, you can just line right over it. It works perfectly. So that's great. Apparently it's erasable. So let's see the eraser quality. Look at that. It's like nothing was ever there. I could take this graph and then just draw a normal parabola, and you wouldn't even know. You can't even tell there's an old graph even there. I'm actually really impressed with this. I mean, this is the technology of the future. If you don't have a Sharpie liquid pencil, you aren't doing math correctly. I'm sorry. Number 2 pencils are a thing in the past. This actually uses number 2 lead, so you could be taking your ACTs or AP exams this week. And you could be filling in bubbles, and you don't even know if it's going to fill the bubble in completely or not. So it's writing, and then there's the gambling aspect of it where you're not sure whether or not it's going to work. Every writing experience is a unique one. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. I mean, it's amazing. I'd recommend this to your friends. Yeah, this is great. Oh my god, this is a great pencil. Goodbye.